It's great to be in a CadenceLIVE event. It's quite exciting to see partners, customers, and Cadence colleagues attending this event. I like the energy, I like the spirit. GlobalFoundries is a sponsor of this event for many years. We are doing a lot of great things together. We are proud of the technical papers that demonstrating the GF and Cadence collaboration and how it's actually drive customer orientation. Really cool. GlobalFoundries is delivering differentiated technology across several end markets like automotive, IoT, including edge AI, power delivery, and silicon photonics. We are working closely with the entire ecosystem, partner ecosystem, to deliver the best IP. We are working closely with the EDA community to drive the best tools, and of course with the offset to deliver the best production. In general, we are working closely with them, but also deliver some end-to-end services to selective customers around design, test, and packaging. Cadence and GlobalFoundries are collaborating across several strategic initiatives. We have a very kind of unique demo that we are demonstrating in this event around Edge AI. This is a collaboration around 22FDX based on Cadence IP via DreamChip, and this is demonstrating impressive capabilities of the future Edge AI platform. In addition to it, we have a lot of collaboration around EDA optimization in order to bring a best-in-class solution to our customers. Silicon Photonics, which is the next generation cloud infrastructure, we have a complete flow developed by Cadence and GF for our customers. And we have a unique kind of solution, 3D-IC offering that we are delivering to our customers, mainly around RFIC, to optimize our solutions.